Hi, thanks for stopping by my website. My name is Trevor Harris, and that's a picture of me on the screen there on the right. And I assume that you're here because you are serious and are currently seeking employment, whether it be part-time, flexible, or full-time employment from home. Well, not that long ago, I found and discovered a company that really will pay you what they say they're going to pay you and pay you per job that you do, so that you're guaranteed to get paid. So I'm going to get right to the information so you can take a look at this company. They recently approached me and asked me to make this video to be able to find people that were similar like me back when I found employment with this company. So when you complete the form below, just put in your first name and your email address. I'm going to email you the information to this company so that you can review it, and most likely you're going to get started with them because the pay is excellent, and it's been a dream come true for me. You're going to discover how to get paid $27.25 per hour working online just like I do. I'm going to reveal to you the online job, what it entails, and most importantly, obviously, the company that you can get started with starting today. They're currently accepting the next 50 people who complete the form below and receive my email and my information on how to get started with them. And I just want to remind you that your paychecks are guaranteed, like I said before. This isn't some business opportunity that you have to figure things out or anything. This is a task-oriented job. You're not going to be selling anything. You're not going to be advertising. And there is zero cost to get started, unlike a lot of opportunities out there. You're going to have nothing out of your pocket to get started with this company. And most importantly, you can start making really, really good money immediately, just like me. I've had weeks where I make $300 to $500 a week, but I also have weeks where I'm making several $1,000s a week, and I get to do it from the comfort of my home, on vacation, just from my laptop. You can do it from your phone or your home desktop. So go ahead and complete the form below. I will see you on the next page. I will send you the information through email, and you can review the information, and I know you're going to love it, and hopefully it's exactly what you're looking for. I know it was for me. Thanks again for stopping by. Trevor Harris, out.